Welcome to today's session. Today we are discussing about effort and estimation in software engineering. So, what is mean by effort and what is mean by estimation? So, before discussing effort and estimation, first we are discussing about planning activity. Planning is the most important project management activity. So after completion of specification of requirements, next step is planning. Planning is the important activity in software development life cycle. It has two basic objectives. Establish the project at a reasonable cost and a reasonable time schedule, and it provides best quality. So and the second thing is whatever we are delivering the project, it meets the user goals. Whatever we are delivering the project, it meets the user goals. That means it satisfies the user goals. So these are two main things. These are two main objectives in planning. So a project succeeds if it meets its cost, schedule and quality goals. If the project is succeeded, if it is meets the cost, schedule and quality goals. There are two main common approaches for effort and estimation. There are two main common approaches for effort and estimation. One is a top-down estimation technique. Another one is bottom-up approach technique. So, why we are estimate cost, schedule, quality like this. So, these estimations are needed before developing is initiated. Without these estimates, no answer some questions. Is the project is late? Are these the cost oversum? When is the project likely to complete? There are so all these type of questions answered. So before we are estimated the all the software factors. So there are two common approaches. One is top down, another one is bottom up approach. Although the effort for a project is a function of many parameters, it is generally agreed that the primary factor that controls the effort is size of the project. Although the effort for a project is a function of many parameters, it is generally agreed that the primary factor that controls the effort is the size of the project. So we can analyze any software factors, cost, quality, schedule. First is to all these are depends on the efforts or the effort and estimations are depend on the size of the project. Size means total lines of code in the project. Okay. That is, the larger the project, the greater is the effort requirement. The top-down approach utilizes this and consider effort as a function of project size. So we can estimate any factor. It must be dependent on the size of the project. So effort is estimated by using a formula effort equal to A into size power B. A into size power B. Effort equal to A into size power B. Where A, B are constant values and the project size is generally in 1000 lines of code. KLOC, that means 1000 lines of code. Here AB values are constant values. AB values are constant values. Size could also be another size measure called functional points, which can be determined from the functional requirements. So the total lines of code is estimated based on the functional requirements or functionalities of the system. Values of these constants for an organization there are determined through regression analysis. So these constant values A and B are These A and B values are estimated using of regression analysis technique, which is applied to data about projects that have been performed in the past. So we are considering previous projects. Based on the previous projects, we can analyze the AB values. We can specify the AB values by using of regression analysis technique. Top-down estimation approach example. So if the source code is ranging from 4,000 to 4,76,000, the source code length is total lines of code is range in between of 4,000 to 4,76,000. AB values are A equal to 5.2 and B equal to 0.91. So AB values is dependent on the total lines of the code. If the source code is ranging below 4,000 or above 4,67,000, AB values are A equal to 3.9 and B equal to 0.91. So in between of 4,000 to 4,76,000, AB values are 5.2 and 0.91. So below 4,000 or above 4,76,000, AB values are A equal to 3.1 and B equal to 0.91. Okay. So size is the main factor to find the effort and estimation. So that is already discussed. We can estimate any software factor. It must be dependent on the size of the project. Top-down estimation approaches. So in estimation approaches, consider a project, so online shopping project. So these are the different functionalities in online shopping project. So login, payment, administration interface, seller functions, buyer functions, view and bookkeeping. So each and every function is implemented with a specified lines of code. 200 lines of code, 200 lines of code, 600, seller functionality 200, buyer functionality 500, bookkeeping 300. So total lines of the code. So the total functionalities of lines of the code is 2000. 200 plus 200, 400 plus 600, 1000, 1000 plus 200, 1200, 1700, so 2000. So the the project is implemented, total lines of code is 2000. For example, so the total size of this software is estimated to be 2000 lines. For example, if you want to use COCOMO means cost constructive model, which is used, it is the one of the estimation technique. It is the one of the estimation technique, cost constructive model. So if you want to use COCOMO model for estimation, we should estimate the value of the different cost deliveries. Suppose we accept that the complexity of the system is high and the programmer capability is low and the application experience is team is low. So based on the programmer experience, software compatibility, hardware compatibility, application compatibility, so the COCOMO model IAB values are divided into three types. Okay. So effort equal to A into size power P per month. Per month. So effort is measured in per month. For example, the size of the project is 2000. So A equal to 3.91 and B equal to 0.91. Size equal to 2000 lines of code. Effort equal to 3.9 into 2 power 0.91. So effort equal to 7.3 per month. Okay. Effort equal to 7.3 per month. So in COCOMO model, effort can be estimated. Projects are classified into three types: organic projects, simple projects and embedded projects. Organic projects means if the software organic projects means uh, if a project team members are low team members, that means small number of team members All are experienced persons.